proving grounds here at Hennessey Performance. I'm in a 600 horsepower Lincoln Navigator. I've got it in excite mode with the drive modes. I'm going to brake boost it a little bit and we're gonna go. So here we go. That is pretty good for a big 3-ton SUV while I'm getting a massage in the perfect position seats, plush leather, wood grain dash, the whole 9 yards. You've got it all in this car. This car starts life as a 450 horsepower EcoBoost twin turbo V6, and after we've done our magic to it, we're now at 600 horsepower, so it's very similar to our Velociraptor 600 packages. It's the same engine platform, and oh wow, I'm getting a massage. All right, now we're gonna go from a roll 38 miles an hour, and we're gonna punch it, and here we go. There's a lot of V8 fanboys out in the world, and I'll be the first one to say I love a good old-fashioned V8, especially with a supercharger on it. This is just good. It's plain good. It's a V6 with 2 turbos on it. The Lincoln is a completely different, refined animal that just is so plush and so nice. If you're thinking about an Escalade or a Lincoln Navigator, it's going to be a tough choice.